Hey guys, are you want to buy best screen cleaner spray? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best screen cleaner spray that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So, now, let's get started. Starting at Edglete Screen Cleaner Sprays. Edglete Screen Cleaner Kit is a must-have for anyone who values spotless pre-screen sprüh screens. Designed for lifetime use, this refillable spray helps you save up to 50% compared to disposables while reducing plastic waste. It's safe for all screens from smartphones and tablets to TVs, laptops, cameras, and gaming monitors. Even delicate old LCD and anti-glare surfaces. The gentle, odorless formula pairs perfectly with premium microfiber cloths to clean without scratching or leaving residue. Its anti-static properties help repel dust, keeping your screens cleaner longer. With a patented spray design, you get a fine, controlled mist that avoids overwetting. The compact kit includes 2 cloths and a stylish ABS case for easy portability. Reusable and washable, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. Whether it's for your MacBook, console, or car screen, Edgold delivers a flawless, eco-friendly clean every time. Now our second product is Calvana Screen Cleaner. Spray this gentle and effective screen cleaning kit delivers a flawless shine on all your devices without streaks or scratches. The mild formula is safe for even the most sensitive screens. From laptops and smartphones to CD players, tablets, and car displays. It effortlessly removes dust, smudges, oils, and fingerprints, while creating a protective barrier that repels dirt and reduces static buildup. The 7FL.Oz large capacity spray ensures long-lasting use, making it a great value. Paired with a premium washable microfiber cloth, it captures dirt without leaving lint or scratches. Ideal even for cleaning CDs and DVDs. This solution maintains your device's original clarity and appearance. Whether you're wiping down a monitor or restoring your car's touchscreen, this kit makes it easy, safe, and effective. Just spray, wipe, and enjoy crystal clear results every time. Our third product is Welkin Screen Cleaner Spray. Their Advanced Gel Screen Cleaner offers a safe, effective, and streak-free solution for cleaning all your electronics. Its non-drip gel formula prevents liquid from seeping into devices, making it ideal for delicate screens like LCD, LED, plasma, touchscreens, and lenses. Free of alcohol and ammonia, it's gentle on anti-reflective coatings, glasses, and sunglasses, yet powerful enough to remove dust, fingerprints, and smudges without residue. It also leaves behind a protective layer that repels future dirt and oils, keeping screens cleaner for longer, whether at home, the office, or on the go. The 200 ml gel bottle and premium microfiber cloth offer lasting value and easy portability, designed for safety, clarity, and convenience. This kit is your go-to screen cleaner for TVs, tablets, phones, laptops, car displays, and more, ensuring a crystal clear view every time. Now number 4. Edglete Car Screen Cleaner Spray. The Edgold Professional Car Screen Cleaner Kit is a must-have for maintaining crystal clear displays and spotless interiors. Featuring a 2 mm thick microfiber pad with a right-angle edge, it effortlessly cleans car infotainment screens, navigation panels, laptops, tablets, and more even in tight corners. The streak-free screen cleaner spray lifts dust, fingerprints, and smudges without scratching delicate surfaces. This all-in-one interior car cleaning kit includes ultra-soft detailing brushes perfect for dashboards, vents, armrests, and consoles. The compact portable design fits neatly in your glove box or center console, making it easy to carry and access. With 2 reusable microfiber pads, a retractable brush, 15 ml spray, and a plush cloth, it's everything you need for on-the-go cleanliness. ideal for commuters, car enthusiasts, and everyday drivers. This kit also makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. And our last choice is Cleanix Glass Screen Cleaner Spray 2. In-1 Glasses cleaning kit is a must-have for clear vision and spotless screens. It includes 2 compact lens cleaner spray bottles and 2 plush microfiber cloths. Neatly packed in a sleek, travel-friendly snap pouch, the alcohol-free formula is gentle on all lens coatings, making it safe for eyeglasses, sunglasses, camera lenses, and even phone, tablet, or computer screens. The high-quality microfiber cloth wipes away dust, smudges, oil, and fingerprints without leaving scratches or streaks. Ideal for both daily use and travel, this multi-purpose cleaner fits easily in your pocket, purse, or desk drawer. Whether you're in the classroom, office, or on the go, this convenient all-in-one bundle keeps your lenses and gadgets spotless and clear anytime, anywhere. A perfect choice for anyone who values clean screens and crisp vision without the bulk. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.